Hey everyone, Emily Carter here, your guide to decoding Wall Street's biggest tech stories with real numbers. And today, we're diving into one of the boldest AI moves ever made. AMD just signed a 6-gigawatt GPU partnership with OpenAI, a deal that could bring in over $100 billion within 4 years. That's right, $100 billion. But is this AMD's moment to dethrone NVIDIA? Or just another AI bubble waiting to burst? Let's find out. So what exactly is this deal? We're talking about a 6-gigawatt GPU rollout. That's hundreds of thousands of high-end AI processors powering OpenAI's next-generation data centers. Under the agreement, OpenAI will start deploying AMD's MI450 GPU series in 2026. And here's the twist. OpenAI also received a warrant for 160 million AMD shares, linking the two companies' futures together. When news broke, the market went wild. AMD stock soared 34% in a single day, adding nearly $80 billion to its market value, the biggest one-day gain in almost a decade. Clearly, investors see this as more than just a partnership. It's a power move. Now, beyond the headlines, let's talk numbers. In Q2 2025, AMD's revenue climbed 32% year-over-year, reaching $7.7 billion. Its gross margin held at 54%. That's rock-solid profitability right next to NVIDIA's territory. And free cash flow, a strong $1.2 billion in just one quarter. But here's the catch. AMD's P/E ratio sits at 141. That means the stock is priced for perfection. If growth slows, even a little, investors might not be so forgiving. AMD's EPYC processors have now delivered 33 straight quarters of server market share gains. That's impressive momentum. The new MI350 and upcoming MI400 GPUs are designed to go head-to-head with NVIDIA's most powerful chips. But let's keep it real. NVIDIA still controls over 90% of the AI GPU market, and U.S. export restrictions on China just forced AMD to take an $800 million inventory write-down. So yes, the upside is massive, but so are the risks. This is a high-stakes game, and AMD can't afford a misstep. The global AI race is now all about computing power, and GPUs are the new gold. NVIDIA remains the leader, no question. But AMD is playing a different game, an open ecosystem strategy that could rewrite the rules. Its ROCm 7 software stack gives developers freedom, a clear contrast to NVIDIA's closed CUDA platform. And that flexibility is attracting data center clients who want more choice and lower costs. AMD's bold goal: capture 10 to 15% of the AI accelerator market by 2028. If it gets even close, today's expensive stock might start to look like a bargain. So what's the takeaway? AMD is flying high, and there's real momentum behind it. Strong AI partnerships, solid cash generation, a bold roadmap for 2026 and beyond. Still, the valuation is sky high. Short term? Volatility is almost guaranteed. But long term, once those MI400 GPUs start shipping, AMD could finally step out of NVIDIA's shadow and claim its place as a true AI powerhouse. So what do you think? Is AMD's AI deal the real game changer, or just another hype cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your takes. And if you enjoy deep dive breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because next week, we're comparing NVIDIA versus AMD, the battle for AI dominance. Oh, and before we wrap up, shout out to today's detective of the day at BeagleGuy6164, who proudly discovered that I'm actually an AI host. Congratulations, you cracked the code. Come on everyone, give it BeagleGuy6164 a virtual round of applause in the chat.